In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image and give it that perfect circular crop using Microsoft Word. This technique is not only simple, but also adds a nice touch of professionalism to your documents. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's focus on inserting your image. Begin by going to the Insert tab in your Word document menu. Here, you'll spot the option for Pictures. Click on that, and from the options that appear, select the one that fits your need, whether it's from your device or an online source. Once you've chosen the image you want, it will appear right in your document. Now, this is where the fun begins. As soon as your image is in the document, you'll want to click on it. This action will bring up the Picture Format tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains a range of tools that will help you modify your image in just the right way. Next, you'll head over to the Crop tool on the Picture Format tab. Click on Crop, and a menu will drop down. Here, you'll see an option that says Crop to Shape. Click on this option, and you'll find a variety of shapes to choose from. We're going to choose the oval shape. Now, Word doesn't have a dedicated circle option listed, so this oval shape is where we start to transform our image into a circular shape. After applying the oval crop, we need to make sure it's a perfect circle and not just an oval. To do this, we'll go back to the crop option. Click on it again, and this time select Aspect Ratio from the menu. From the aspect ratio settings, choose 1:1, which means a square ratio. The effect of this will be to ensure your image takes on a perfect circular shape because you've set the height and width to the same dimensions. Now, this might not be the perfect crop just yet, as the image may not fit nicely within the circular frame. So, it's time to adjust the image to get it just right. You can do this by dragging the image itself to reposition it within the circle. Alternatively, you can use the options under the Crop tool again, choosing either Fill or Fit to see which one looks best for your layout. Fill will ensure the entire circle is filled with the image, while Fit will ensure that as much of the image as possible is shown within the circle, leaving some space around the edges if needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply click outside the picture or press the ESC key on your keyboard. This will finalize your crop, leaving you with a beautifully circular image that perfectly suits your document's needs. By following these simple steps, you can easily elevate the visual style of your documents. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.